Looking for the best place to get automotive parts and services? Is O'Reilly Automotive the right choice for you? Let's explore why O'Reilly is one of the leaders in the automotive retail space. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at O'Reilly Automotive, a key player in the automotive aftermarket industry. First, we will dive into O'Reilly's company overview, including its history and mission. We'll then explore its financial performance, leadership team, and growth potential. Next, we'll cover O'Reilly's sustainability efforts, flagship products, and market position. Lastly, we'll discuss investor sentiment, risks, and the key concepts that drive O'Reilly's success. Founded in 1957, O'Reilly Automotive is a leader in the automotive aftermarket industry, providing a wide range of parts and services across the United States. Mission: our mission is to provide outstanding customer service and automotive products that help our customers keep their vehicles running smoothly. Vision: our vision is to be the top provider of automotive parts and services in the U.S., with a focus on quality, innovation, and value. In 2022, O'Reilly Automotive achieved revenue of $15.9 billion and a market capitalization of $48.1 billion. O'Reilly continues to show strong profitability with a healthy cash flow. Under the leadership of CEO Greg Hensley, O'Reilly has been focused on growth through customer service excellence and operational efficiency. O'Reilly expects continued growth with a focus on expanding its store network and enhancing its e-commerce platform. O'Reilly is committed to reducing its environmental footprint, including energy-efficient store practices and the promotion of eco-friendly products. O'Reilly offers a wide range of high-quality automotive parts, from car batteries to brake pads, and continues to innovate with private label products. O'Reilly is a leader in the automotive aftermarket retail space, with strong competition from AutoZone and Advance Auto Parts. O'Reilly is highly regarded by customers for its knowledgeable staff and reliable products. Investors view O'Reilly favorably with consistent earnings and steady growth. O'Reilly faces risks from increasing competition in the automotive retail industry and potential supply chain disruptions. O'Reilly's customer-centric approach, strong brand loyalty, and consistent growth make it a top player in the automotive aftermarket industry. If you're looking to learn more about leading companies in the automotive aftermarket space, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into O'Reilly Automotive. Is O'Reilly Automotive a stock worth considering for your portfolio? With consistent growth, a strong market position, and innovative strategies, O'Reilly offers long-term investment potential despite competitive risks.